Hey everyone, it's Nick from Leupold. So when you get your scope brand new out of the box, it's optically centered. What that means is that a erector system on the inside is in the middle of the main tube. But throughout putting it on rifles, sighting it in, you're turning elevation, you're turning windage, getting it on target. Maybe you move the scope to another rifle and you're turning those adjustments. You're not going to be optically centered anymore. But if you want to get back to optical center on a scope, we have a cool little trick to show you to make it super easy for you. All you need is a mirror, and if it's on a rifle like this, again, we're going to make sure that the rifle's clear, no ammo in there, nothing in the mag, bolt back, good to go. I'm going to take the mirror and I'm going to put it snug up against the objective. If the scope is loose, you can just take a scope and go to your bathroom mirror and put it up against the bathroom mirror. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on low power. We're going to look through the scope and you should see two reticles. You're going to see the actual reticle in the scope and you're going to see the reflection of the reticle. All I have to do is adjust the elevation windage adjustments until those two reticles are on top of each other. And now I've optically centered my scope back to just like it was brand new out of the box. If you're still having issues getting on target, making adjustments, feel free to call 1-800-Leupold and one of our tech service reps can walk you through it.